In this video, I'm going to answer the question, when you're dropshipping, who pays for shipping? And of course, on this channel, we're talking about high-ticket dropshipping, and we're talking about using local suppliers to you. So for me, that is suppliers in the USA. I'm working with real brands who already have search volume here in the USA, brands you've definitely heard of. So when I sell a product, who's paying for shipping? Is it me or is it the supplier? And if you were thinking it was the other way, obviously we're offering free shipping to our customer. That's the smart thing to do. That's what everyone kind of expects nowadays. But when it comes to when I'm placing the order with a supplier, who's going to pay for the shipping? Is it me or is it the supplier? The answer could go either way. And I've personally had both in many different businesses that I've ran. Sometimes the supplier takes care of everything. Sometimes it's all on me, including shipping on my own account sometimes and having to set up my own freight shipping. But typically the supplier is taking care of this for you. They'll handle the shipping and you're going to pay for it. Now this could be their costs plus a little markup, of course, or I've seen it be flat rate as well. They just tell you every time you ship one of these products, it's going to be this flat rate. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some there, but at least you know exactly what your cost of goods is going to be every time. And I've had other suppliers offer pricing inclusive of shipping. So here's your price for the product and shipping out the door. Everything's taken care of. Again, that really helps you understand what your cost of goods is going to be so that you can spend a little bit more on your marketing. The most important part, of course, is just that you know this answer. So as part of your onboarding process, as you are onboarding these brands to your business, make sure you're clear with who's handling shipping, whether it's them actually handling the shipping or you are, who's paying for shipping. How is that being charged? Is that going to be charged afterwards? Is it flat rate? Again, make sure you get all of the details as you bring suppliers onto your business. And if you're still back before that step, looking for suppliers, look for another video here on this channel about how to find local suppliers to you or US-based suppliers. I believe it's a video I did. So look for that video on the channel. And there's also some podcasts on here of what you should do when you call suppliers. And for you experienced dropshippers, how are your suppliers handling? I'd love for you to leave a comment below and tell me what type of relationship do you have with your suppliers, and did I miss anything in the three I mentioned? Is there any other unique circumstances that you've dealt with? And of course, if you're loving this type of content, hit the like button so YouTube shows you more of it. As simple as that. Like, subscribe, they'll show you more. Leave a comment, they'll show you even more. I'll see you on the next video.